Junkfoodtaster.com. And here we go, my little friends. It's time for Peppa Pig mini pizza vegetable. And here they are, the whole family. And it's like a really nice, fun product. It says it's a vegetable mini pizza. Comes in this box. On the back is like the Peppa's Party Puzzle. And I will puzzle it whilst it's in the oven, I think. And it's like a tip. Hey, and the tip says it's perfect for like children's birthday, and you can have extra ingredients, and actually prepared some extra ingredients. This was what I wanted to know. So they are packed in couples. This would be funny if it was like with four. It would have been four ribbons. But anyways. So. Okay, let's get the show on the road. Oh, we got the baking thingy. And also got my Peppa Pig mug. So it look very minimalistic, and the vegetable is corn and tomato. So I will keep one like for puristic, and the other three I will sort of make my special ingredient. So, There was quite a high demand. There were only 2 ones left in the supermarket. So one of these I put onion rings on. Oopsie, not this. Here we go, 3 onion rings. I'm excited to see what happens. One of these I put this here's this cheese donut, camembert cheese donut, which I cut first. I always cut stuff. Yep, here we go. So I put this one on here. And the third one I put mushrooms on. Already sort of defrosted the mushrooms and put in the microwave a little bit, so that's not that wet. Still very wet, but I hope when the pizza is heated up, it's perfect. Okay, oven time. Hey, okie dokie. Well, see you later. Oh, it looks very lovely, I have to say this. See you later, pizzies. So, like I promised, now it's time for the puzzle. And I see it's like from Pizzatainment. We had just the other day this here special pizza from the Netflix show. And we also got like Mario, and be careful with the scissors. Teenage Mutant Turtle. Okay. Okie dokie, let's cut out the pieces. Nice idea, I think. 9 pieces shouldn't be too hard. I always got stuff. Alrighty, let's see if I can do it. Here's Peppa Pig. Here's giraffe, alrighty. A balloon, so there's a text. Text must be here. Peppa, more text. Hey. Can't be that difficult now. Here are the kids. So this must be arm from this side. Peppa's arm from the other side. And here. This kid is here. And the giraffe is over here. Ta-da! Okay. Here, I'm very much liking here the artwork. With them all eating the pizza. And look at this, they made their own ingredients as well. Okay. And they all drink a glass of water. But I drink a glass of Sprite. So, okie dokie, I think the pizza is ready. Let's have a little look. And here we go. Looks interesting. Yeah. I think it's a perfect condition now for eating. And yeah, let's see which of these are the best. Onion rings, mushrooms, camembert donut, or original. Looks really cool, I have to say this. Okie dokie. Here we go, my little friends. It's taste test time. And I'm taking the original first. And for fun reasons, I'm getting a little slice. Let's also see the back side. Already looks fluffy. Okay. Pizza base here is kind of crunchy. It's a super tasteless product. So it's like a 100% crisp burger. Okay. I just put some ketchup on. Yeah, it's an absolute kids burger. So, and I guess the rating must be fun then. So, yeah. So Heinz ketchup is basically more spicy than what they made here. Anyways, now my special creations, and I start off with the onion rings. Yeah. Already more flavor, more fatty and nice crispy, or like what? Nice onion vibe. That was cool. Now here. Oh, the camembert is a very intense cheese. No mushroom. Have I got the mushrooms right? Could be crispier. Still super meshy. One day I get them right. Anyways. Wow. So these are definitely better with a little special on. So, now I flush. There we go. Cheers. Okay. So it's 4 for 9. Fun. Color for fun is brown. And it's Peppa Pig. What was a mini pizza or something like this? So it says vegetable. Not quite sure how many flavors there are of Peppa Pig mini. So vegetable mini pizza. Okay. So that's it. Friday will be Kinder Surprise. Thanks for watching, my little friends. See you soon.